Hello all. Today we are going to see about use case diagram for petrol bunk management system. First of all, what is use case diagram here described? Use case diagram identify the functionalities provided by the system. Use case, the users interact with system actors and association between users and functionalities. Okay. First we can see what is use case, then what we can see the actors, then what we can see about association. Uh, Before that, we can see the primary goals of use case diagram, providing high level view of what system does, identifying the users of system, determining areas needed human computer computing service. So these are the goals of the use case diagram. It's mainly used in software engineering. So we can see what is use case, that is actor. Coming to actor, actor is mentioned as user of system. This is a very key of the use diagram, that is actor. This is a user of system. It's depicted using a stick figure like this. User, system, you can name anything, but it's the example stick diagram. This is the actor. It's the user of a system. And coming to use case, the oval shape is called the use case. Use case is the functionality provided by system. That is, if you enter your ID, it goes to password, and after entering your password, it goes to menu. Just an example, it can be anything: payment, list, set price, anything. So this is the use case. First is actor, second is use case, and third is association. Association is used to link use case and the actor and the use case. Its association is linked using this line, straight line. A line connecting actor and use case depicts associations. This is the association. Uh, Next, we are coming to include. Include is direct relationship between two cases, which is used to show the behavior of included use case, inserted behavior of including. For example, if we take including is including a function, that's it. If for example, if you have menu, a menu has many things, like menu has starters, desserts. I'm telling food menu. Food menu has these many items. So if we are including lot of items into the starters, desserts, main course, everything. So this is called the include. And exclude, direct relationship that specifics how and when behavior defined in usually supplementary optional use case. For example, if we are giving help desk chat in WhatsApp or Facebook, it directly shows that in which section you want help. That is, it shows the extended sections like support, chat, call, inquiry. This is called the exclude in a use case diagram. So include relationship is mandatory in use case, where others extending is optional. You can use or whether not use it. So we can see the use case diagram given for application of petrol bank management system. This is the I am designing this diagram. I am here is three actors: user, system, and machine. The application is petrol bank management system. These are the use case I have mentioned, the oval shaped, and this is the function, including function I gave, and these are the association lines I linked. So first of all, I'm associating user with system, and in middle I'm adding the two use case, the oval shaped use cases. That is, I'm entering ID, I'm getting the password. After these two are over, directly it's going to menu after password is over. Also the user and system is also associated with menu, because the both user you are selecting the menu and system provides the menu. Inside menu I have included functions, that is quantity. This side I included the information of the dealers, that, and thirdly price. So in sub use case of quantity, I have given liters. That is, either you can mention the liters like 1 liter, 2 liter, 5 liter, how much it depends upon you. It's your on your vehicle quantity. Then I'm giving this price, and also hike updates like for first day the price will be 70 rupees per liter, then second day it will be 72 rupees, and third day it will become 68 rupees. So 2 rupees increasing, 2 rupees decreasing. So that why I gave this hikes update, because the user can easily compare the petrol prices of each day. So I give hike update. So thirdly, I give dealer. Dealers. there are many dealers in petrol. Some dealers provide petrol price cheap, and some dealers provide petrol price high, but the quality will be good, and also it gives more mileage, so that a user can be put with a reasonable dealer. So I gave dealer and their company. So these are the options, that is services and functionalities I included inside menu. These are the use case diagrams I used inside the menu using include functions. It's mandatory. And finally, user have to pay. For paying in cash, the system is not used, but when the user pays to card, the system is used. So user is associated to payment use case, and the payment is associated to mission through which the user pays. So payment, there are two types: current account and savings account. Many users have their account in current also. Some users have their user savings. So with whatever you want to pay, you can pay through current, or you can pay through savings. So this is the use case diagram used for petrol bunk management system. Actor, use case, and the line is associated, and this include line. So this is the use case diagram. So it's the applications brief. That is, I have mentioned about the use case diagram, various activities being carried out in a use case diagram, and the transaction function I included. Then that menu option, that is petrol in amount, dealer, hikes of petrol price, and all I included. And the you will get access only if you enter your ID number and user's password, so that you can access all the functions and services provided by the system software, that is petrol bunk management system application. So this is a use case diagram, and these are the functions I explained: ID, password, menu, quantity, liters, price, hike updates, petrols, dealer, company, payment, that is savings and current. So the result is the use case diagram done and verified successfully. These are the finally use case diagram. Can be done through star UML. Thank you.